everyone, welcome to our tutorial on what is the use of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, we will explore the Oracle Cloud, its infrastructure, and how you can take advantage of the free tier to enhance your skills in Oracle Cloud DBA. Let's get started. Open up the world of Oracle Cloud effortlessly. Jump into an area of endless learning possibilities as I steer through Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, leveraging online resources, hands-on labs, and practical exams. Build, test, and deploy applications on Oracle Cloud without any cost barriers. Find the array of services available with the free tier and begin on my journey by signing into Oracle Cloud. If I'm keen on exploring databases, mastering machine learning, or ensuring excellent security, Oracle's free tier equips me to learn, experiment, and innovate without constraints. I can take advantage of this opportunity to dive into the dynamic area of cloud computing, backed by Oracle's state-of-the-art technologies and complete learning resources. Introduction of Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud is a cloud computing service offered by Oracle Corporation. It provides a wide range of cloud services, including computing power, storage, and databases. Oracle Cloud offers a complete range of services for cloud computing, database management, and application deployment. With Oracle's free tier, I can access hands-on labs, digital content, and exam preparation resources to learn and explore the platform at no cost. The free tier includes services such as autonomous databases, compute instances, and tools like Oracle SQL Developer and Oracle Apex. I can build, test, and deploy applications on Oracle Cloud without incurring charges, making it an ideal environment for learning, development, and experimentation. Oracle Cloud offers a robust foundation for building, testing, and deploying applications seamlessly. Its multi-cloud and hybrid cloud capabilities provide diverse environments for enhanced flexibility and efficiency. The platform's emphasis on data management, security, and integration enables users to fully leverage cloud technology for their projects. What is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services encompassing database as a service, DBAs, software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. It features advanced technologies such as autonomous databases, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data management tools. Security, scalability, and elasticity are prioritized, ensuring seamless integration and support for DevOps practices and microservices architecture. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure provides a strong platform for cloud computing, offering a wide range of services for building, testing, and deploying applications. With Oracle's free tier, I can access hands-on labs, digital content, and exam resources to learn and explore Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This platform supports different services such as databases, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, making it ideal for individuals looking to develop skills in cloud technology. Compute services. The compute service is central to our cloud infrastructure, allowing us to run applications on virtual machines or bare metal servers. Oracle's automated tools streamline provisioning, patching, and maintenance, while offering a variety of shapes and sizes to match our specific needs. Storage services. Storage services are crucial in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Reliable, high-performance storage is essential for applications and workloads. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers various storage services tailored to specific needs. Understanding the different storage options is crucial for optimizing cloud performance. Block storage is suitable for high IOPS workloads, while object storage is ideal for large-scale data repositories. It's important to choose the right storage service to ensure optimal application performance and data protection. The file storage service file system can be accessed from any bare metal, virtual machine, or container instance within your virtual cloud network, VCN. Security and identity. Even the most robust infrastructure can be vulnerable to security threats if not properly secured. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure provides a robust security framework that enables me to protect my data, applications, and infrastructure from unauthorized access and malicious activities. Network security features are crucial for protecting our resources from unauthorized access. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers robust network security features, including VCNs, subnets, route tables, and security lists. These features help define traffic rules, segregate resources, and restrict access, ensuring a secure environment for our Oracle Cloud DBA training. As a network administrator, it's crucial to restrict access to authorized personnel. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure's IAM service effectively manages users, groups, roles, and access policies for cloud resources. Additionally, IAM enhances security with multi-factor authentication, password policies, and account lockout policies, preventing unauthorized users from performing malicious activities. It also offers audit logs and reporting to track access and changes to your cloud resources. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers tailored database services, including the flagship Autonomous Database. This autonomous database automates administrative tasks, freeing up your resources. Additionally, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure ensures secure, scalable, and up-to-date databases, providing a reliable foundation for your cloud-based database needs. I can access various data integration and analytics tools for valuable insights. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure tools streamline data integration and analysis. Database integration is essential for managing data. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure integrates databases for real-time analysis and reporting. It allows for informed business decisions and staying ahead of the competition. Oracle Cloud offers several advantages for users. Firstly, it provides enhanced security features, ensuring that my data is protected. Additionally, Oracle Cloud offers scalability and flexibility, allowing me to easily adjust resources based on my needs. It also serves as a cost-effective solution, helping me manage my budget effectively. Furthermore, Oracle Cloud provides advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, empowering me to gain valuable insights from my data. Lastly, it seamlessly integrates with other Oracle tools, offering a comprehensive and cohesive solution for my cloud computing needs. Oracle Cloud has several advantages, but it's important to be aware of the potential disadvantages as well. First, there's a steep learning curve, which may require extra time and effort to master. Additionally, dependence on internet connectivity could pose challenges, especially in areas with unreliable connections. Limited customization options may restrict the flexibility of the platform, and there's also the potential for vendor lock-in, which could limit future options. Finally, for large-scale implementations, higher costs may be a consideration. It's essential to weigh these disadvantages against the benefits when considering Oracle Cloud for DBA training. Why Oracle Cloud Free Tier? We can use the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Free Tier to become an Oracle Certified Specialist, gaining expertise in areas like machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data, and data management. The platform also emphasizes security, scalability, and integration, ensuring a complete learning experience for me. By utilizing Oracle Cloud Infrastructure's free tier, I can explore the capabilities of cloud technology without incurring additional costs, making it a valuable resource for my learning and development. Oracle Cloud Free Tier offers a range of services for learning and exploring Oracle Cloud Infrastructure without any charges. Users can access hands-on labs, digital content, and exam resources to build, test, and deploy applications. The tier includes services like AMD and ARM-based compute VMs, databases for efficient data management, and a variety of other tools and resources for cloud computing. With Oracle Cloud Free Tier or free credits, we can get certified in Oracle Cloud applications and business processes at no cost. The program allows me to teach, learn, explore, build, and develop applications in the cloud without any financial investment. Plus, the free tier provides access to a wide range of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure services, making it ideal for small-scale projects, development, testing, and educational purposes. Learning Oracle Cloud through the free tier or free credit is a valuable opportunity to explore cloud computing, databases, and different cloud services without any cost. The free tier provides hands-on labs, digital content, and exam resources to help me build, test, and deploy applications on Oracle Cloud. With the free tier/free credit, I can access services like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, including the autonomous database, cloud infrastructure, and machine learning capabilities. By utilizing the free tier/free credits, I can gain practical experience in cloud technologies, data management, security, scalability, and integration. This hands-on approach allows me to learn about DevOps practices, microservices architecture, and leveraging artificial intelligence and big data solutions within the Oracle Cloud environment. The free tier is ideal for individuals looking to improve their skills in Oracle Cloud and explore the possibilities of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud deployments. What is the Oracle Cloud Computing? Oracle Cloud Computing offers a strong platform for me to harness the power of cloud technology. With services ranging from database as a service, DBAs, to software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS, Oracle Cloud caters to explore my computing needs. The autonomous database feature provides me with powerful tools like Oracle Apex and SQL Developer, enhancing my data management capabilities. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure allows me to deploy applications seamlessly, leveraging machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data processing. The platform prioritizes security, scalability, and elasticity, ensuring data integrity and optimal performance. With features like multi-cloud and hybrid cloud integration, Oracle Cloud Computing empowers me to streamline operations, adopt DevOps practices, and implement microservices architecture for improved efficiency. Oracle Cloud offers a range of cloud computing services, including DBAs, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Users can leverage the autonomous database, which integrates AI and ML for enhanced data management. The platform prioritizes security, scalability, and elasticity to facilitate seamless integration and support across multiple cloud and hybrid environments. Oracle Cloud offers a robust infrastructure for DevOps and microservices. It enables users to leverage big data with advanced analytics. The platform is a preferred choice for businesses seeking a reliable and agile cloud solution. Obtaining a free certification in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure presents a valuable opportunity to enhance my expertise in cloud computing, databases, and related technologies. This certification signifies proficiency in Oracle's suite of cloud services, including SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS solutions. By becoming certified in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, I demonstrate my knowledge and skills in autonomous databases, machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data management, security, scalability, and integration. Sometimes Oracle launches full discount or makes total free Oracle Cloud certification exams. I highly recommend taking advantage of the free certification in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This certification will open doors to advanced concepts like multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments, DevOps practices, and microservices architecture. It equips learners with the tools to steer complex cloud infrastructures efficiently and effectively. Not only does the certification validate your expertise, but it also serves as proof of your commitment to continuous learning and growth in cloud technology. Keep an eye on the Oracle Education site, as they often offer free Oracle Cloud Infrastructure certification exams. Learning Oracle Cloud using the free tier or free credit is a valuable opportunity for individuals and businesses to gain hands-on experience with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure without incurring costs. With readily available online resources, hands-on labs, and certification options, mastering Oracle Cloud is within reach for everyone. By taking advantage of the free tier services, I can build, test, and deploy applications on Oracle Cloud, harnessing the power of services like Oracle Autonomous Databases and AMD Compute VMs. The Oracle Academy Cloud program also offers free access to Oracle Cloud, making it easier for me to develop my skills and expertise in cloud technology. If I'm looking to improve my knowledge and skills in Oracle Cloud, signing up for the free tier is the initial step towards opening a world of possibilities in cloud computing. I can get started today and begin on my journey to becoming proficient in Oracle Cloud services. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for getting more news of Oracle Cloud DBA. If you have any query, then let me ask at jaichtrividi@yahoo.com. If you like this video, then kindly share it. Thank you.